So you want to get same day sales on eBay and not have to wait days, weeks, or months before your item sells? Well, you're in the right place. I'm gonna give you 4 tips that I use to sell items on eBay the same day that I list them consistently. So before we get into these, make sure you go down and subscribe to my channel and like this video. I put a lot of time into these videos, and I have more videos that might interest you if you just check out my channel and see what else I have to offer. So anyways, now that you've subscribed and liked this video, let's get right into it. I'm gonna be focusing this mainly on cell phones because that's what I do a majority of my business with, is flipping cell phones and other smaller electronics like laptops, stuff like that. So I'm gonna be using cell phones as a reference for this. This will work really good for cell phones, or if you're selling anything else on eBay, this will still work for you. So stay tuned even if you're not selling cell phones or electronics. So the first tip I have for you is to buy low and sell low. This only goes into effect if you're trying to get sales the same day that you purchase an item. If you'd rather get more profits, then obviously this video isn't for you. You know, still listen, but this is focused on getting stuff sold the same day, but still making profit on it and just getting it sold as fast as possible. Obviously, the lower an item is priced on eBay, the more people are gonna see it and wanna buy it sooner because of how low it is compared to the other items that are listed on eBay of the same type. And then obviously you have to buy it low to be able to sell it low, otherwise you're not gonna be making a profit on it. It'll just end up being a loss for you. So for example, if I hop on Facebook Marketplace and find an iPhone 8 for 50 bucks, someone just found it in their closet, they wanna just get rid of it. The iPhone 8, 50 bucks, you know, obviously it's worth a lot more than that. So you go scoop it up, $50, and instead of pricing it, you know, around what the sold listings are typically for that item, just price it down a little bit, you know, $50, $40, and you're gonna be losing out on potential profits, but you're gonna be able to sell it this same day because phones are one of the biggest sellers on eBay, and you're gonna be able to sell it because people that want to buy iPhone 8s, they're gonna see them listed for this price, but then they'll see yours for $50 under that. When they see yours listed so much lower, they're just gonna scoop it up right away because they don't want it to sell. You know, they want to get the best price on what they want before somebody else does. Whoever sees it first is just gonna scoop it up for that low price, but you're still gonna make a profit on it because you bought it for $50. You sold it for, I don't know, a couple hundred, you know, 150, whatever they're valued at, and you just made a profit in the exact same day. Sometimes I've sold phones within an hour or less of posting them after buying them for huge profits, depending on what I get the phone for. So that's the main thing right there. Buy low and sell low. Don't focus on how much you could possibly get at the very tip top of the market for it. Just price it a little bit lower than everybody else, but make sure you're still gonna gain a profit and you're gonna sell anything on eBay super quick. So number 2, you have to have a good title and a good description. Let's go back to the iPhone 8. So if I have a title that says iPhone 62 megabyte purple, first of all, no, it does not work. You have to be informative in the title and description. So let's say I have a perfect iPhone 8 for sale, you know, has the box, has all accessories, no scratches, you know, has screen protector, been in a case all of its life. You know, the perfect example, you'd put iPhone 8, 64 gigabyte or 256 gigabyte, whatever it is, with box and accessories, or, you know, great condition or something like that in the title to get people interested. So get people intrigued with the title. They click on it, you know, you have good pictures, you look professional. The description tells everything about it. Nothing wrong with it. Body has been checked over, you know, no scratches or dents. Comes with charger, headphone adapter, box, original stickers and SIM tool, you know, anything like that. Just be really descriptive in the description, be really honest about everything, and people are gonna see it, they're gonna like it, and they're gonna wanna buy it right then and there. All right, number 3, this one is something I do for almost everything I post on eBay, is allowing offers. So if you have something posted up for around market price, but you allow offers over, you know, a certain price, whatever you choose, and someone could offer $10 lower than your asking price, and you know, then you have to decide if you want to take it or not. If there was no offers there, if they had to buy it for the full price, maybe someone would just keep looking and look at something different. But if they offer $5 or $10 less than the asking price, that's not very much of a hit for you if you got it for cheap, but then it's gonna make them buy it because they got a good deal, you know, you accepted their offer on it. So always allow offers. If you don't know how to do that, it's right when you're posting an item on eBay, there's gonna be allow offers and over a certain price. I think there's an option for like auto accepting offers. Just play around with that and always allow offers, especially if you wanna get something sold right away as fast as you can. So here we go, tip number 4 is be realistic. It doesn't matter what you buy something for, there's always going to be a set price that you can sell it for. Obviously not an exact price, but a set price range. If you buy an iPhone, you mess up, you buy an iPhone for $800, an iPhone 6 for $800. You can't use that what you bought it for to price it on eBay. You have to just forget what you bought it for, pretend you got it for free. Just go on eBay and find sold listings and see what it sells for and use that to determine what you sell it for. Don't use what you bought it for. You know, you can't sell an iPhone 6 for $800. You know, if you messed up and bought it for that, just forget about it. Check the sold listings and see what it actually sells for. You're not gonna be able to sell something for double what it's worth. It just doesn't happen on eBay. There's just too many other competitors out there that are gonna price it lower that's gonna sell. So be realistic with what you price anything at. And that goes the other way too. Don't price something at $5 when it's worth $100. Obviously, yeah, you're gonna sell it fast, but you could sell it probably the same amount of time for pricing it just under market value, rather than just pricing it a stupid low amount of money, where obviously, yeah, it's gonna sell instantly, but you're gonna lose money on it, or it's just not gonna be worth your time. Just make sure you price reasonably and just go a little under what market value is if you're trying to sell the same day, like I stated before. And those are the 4 things that you put them all together, most of the time, you're gonna be able to sell something the same day that you post it up, or even sooner, you know, within an hour of it. I know I've sold an iPhone for a couple $100 profit within a half hour of posting it. It's crazy how good eBay is when you use it right and use the tools you have to sell something fast. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like videos about selling stuff on eBay or anything that just gets straight to the point, right down to the facts, make sure you subscribe. Check out my other videos. I do have more videos about selling phones and selling electronics and just eBay stuff. And I will be making a lot more in the future. So subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hopefully these tips help you out. They've sure helped me out with selling stuff in the same day and getting those profits rolling in. So subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.